Hello, this is a tutorial for Lego Puzzle Box Pushback. So you want to start off with 6x2 base plate, smooth pieces here, and a 3x1 smooth piece here, kind of. Then put a 2x2 brick here, and here you want to take two of these 1x1s with a hole in, like that. Gonna be a place to put a key here. Okay, so then you take a 1x4 and a 3x1 on top here. Then 1x1, another one with this hole in, another 2x1, and here 1x1, 1x2, smooth, tile, whatever. But before you put that on, I'm gonna take 1x4 here, 1x2 here, lift this, and put a 1x3 under here first. Then this piece, and then this piece, like that. Let's take some pieces here. You know, this piece, which comes out here and pushes back and you get out the draw. It's simply 2 3x1s, 1x3 here. And there's 2x1 here, 2 1x1s, 1x1 here, and a 2x1 tile, smooth here. So when you push this, it's gonna be a wall here, or a piece here, which blocks this from going more to, you know. However, when you put this piece out, the piece here will block this, and this will slide here. When you, let me show you. So here's a wall. Here's a piece into the drawer. So when you pull this up, this piece will stay back. This is something blocking it. When you push it here, it will push the drawer out. Sorry for my English. Okay, so the piece is down here. 2x2. 1x1 smooth here, 1x1 and a 1x1 smooth. Then take 1x4 with a 1x2 under here. Simple. And I'm gonna slide and fit here. You can take and put key in here like that. Well, the other piece here is simply 2 1x2s, 2 2x2s, 1x3 smooth here, kind of, and 1x2 and smooth pieces. It's gonna fit right here. This gonna block this, and that gonna block the key. You know how it works. Oops. Back here, a 1x1 piece will be. Can kind of put it there. And now you want to take a 1x4 with a 1x2 here. Yes, and then a 2x2 with a 1x2 here, like that. And then smooth pieces here, and a red smooth piece here. Doesn't have to be red. Mine is red, so I'm gonna put this here. This will slide here. This is still loose, but I'll fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna take 1x4 here, and I'm gonna take a 1x6 with a 1x4 on top here, 1x4 under here to the right. Put this here. We take a 3x1 and a 1x4 here. And a 1x3, 1x3, and a 1x4 here. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna take a 1x4 and a 1x3, or 3 1x3s, and a 1x4. Here a 1x3 with a 1x2 smooth. I'm gonna kind of lift this little in here like that. Then take a 3x2, a 2x smooth piece here sticking out, and a 1x2 here, and put it right here. So I have this. Here's where the smooth piece gonna be. C, B, fit. Nice one. It is kind of loose in some places here. Then take a 6x1. Put something on the top if you want. But put flat pieces all around here except here. So you can put it on here. And that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching.